As ransomware attacks intensify, manufacturers face not only significant financial losses, but also disruptions to production lines and supply chains, putting business operations and customer commitments at risk. According to a 2023 survey of the manufacturing and production sector, 56% of manufacturing organizations experienced a ransomware attack, and of those, 68% saw their data encrypted. Additionally, manufacturing firms have the lowest rate of full data recovery, with only 88% managing to retrieve their data compared to a 97% cross-sector average. These attacks can devastate operations, causing millions in downtime and lost productivity. A notable example is the Norsk Hydro attack in 2019, where ransomware crippled the company's global production operations for weeks, costing the aluminum giant between $60 to $70 million. And while Norsk Hydro refused to pay the ransom, the resulting recovery effort was both lengthy and expensive. One of the biggest vulnerabilities in the manufacturing sector is the increasing sophistication of attacks. A significant portion of ransomware incidents in manufacturing stem from compromised credentials and exploited vulnerabilities. Further, 41% of attacks in the sector involve phishing or malicious emails, showcasing the susceptibility of manufacturers to social engineering tactics. Critical nature of manufacturing operations, from maintaining seamless production lines to safeguarding proprietary designs and customer data, makes companies more likely to pay large ransoms quickly to resume operations and prevent further disruptions. The sensitivity of intellectual property and supply chain data adds urgency, as breaches can result in significant financial losses, contractual violations, and potential non-compliance with regulations such as NIST and CMMC. RAS groups know that any downtime in manufacturing can lead to massive financial losses and broken contracts. The victims want to minimize disruptions, so they may be willing to pay a big ransom, which makes manufacturing a prime RAS target. This is where Halcyon comes in. We have developed the first and only system designed to stop ransomware attacks cold. The Halcyon anti-ransomware platform defeats ransomware through built-in bypass and evasion protection, our key material capture, automated decryption, and data exfiltration prevention. Trained on millions of ransomware samples and behavioral indicators, the Halcyon AI ML detection models continuously adapt and respond to the ever-evolving nature of ransomware targeting manufacturing organizations. Every major ransomware attack in the headlines has circumvented modern EPP and EDR solutions. That's why Halcyon also prevents other security tools from being bypassed, up-armoring existing protections and increasing the ROI on existing security investments. Halcyon reduces the mean time to recovery by up to 90% without relying on backups. Our solution intercepts encryption keys and swiftly recovers the affected endpoints at the system level. This effectively eliminates the time-consuming and costly task of manually restoring every system impacted from backups. The Halcyon anti-ransomware platform also prevents sensitive data from being stolen through our unique data exfiltration prevention module, which is designed to detect and block ransomware-related data exfiltration attempts with an easy-to-implement add-on solution. The platform seamlessly integrates with IT infrastructure without disrupting daily operations, protecting manufacturer production lines and customer data. In an era where ransomware is increasingly targeting manufacturing, a proactive and comprehensive cybersecurity strategy is absolutely critical. Don't wait for your operation to become the next ransomware casualty. Visit Halcyon AI today to learn more about how our advanced anti-ransomware platform safeguards manufacturing organizations.